In this video, we are looking at the Geonworks Raw HE switch on the Monsgeek M1 V5 TMR. Like most magnetic switches, there's a large magnet in the middle of the stem. In this particular switch, the bottom of the stem, we don't see the magnet coming out beyond the plastic end of the stem. So it's just going to be the plastic tip of the stem hitting the bottom housing when we bottom out. The bottom housing has a hole in it, so it's not like the Gateron magnetic switches or the echo glare switch, but it is going to be a relatively large surface area, but less than the jade magnetics or the echo glare possibly, for the bottom of the stem plastic hitting the bottom of the housing. So I kind of expect to hear a higher pitched clacking sound than an echo glare or a Gateron jade, but we should also not hear any metallic sounds since it's going to be just plastic on plastic. So here's the sound test. Particularly evident in the sound of the D and F keys and the H and J keys, all the standoffs that the Monsgeek M1 V5 TMR has, because it makes keys in different places sound different because of where the standoffs are, either directly connected to the plate and holding it tight to the PCB, or there is give and flex. So pretty good clacky sound though. It's very close to a mechanical switch keyboard with a high pitch switch.